I remember driving past a middle school, and there's a police substation off next to it, and I saw a cop car. I was very aware of what was going on around me, and getting ready to cross an intersection, and I could see that there was a row of cars trying to turn in front of me, and the last car, it looked like he stopped and he decided to shoot out, and we had a head-on collision. It was really unreal. Everything went in slow motion. I remember getting out of the car and smelling smoke, and looking up at the light and seeing that it was still green, and I realized that I needed to get my kids out of the car because we were right in an intersection, so I moved as quick as I could. And my kids, there was just a lot of crying and screaming, and it made for a very traumatic day. My 3-year-old daughter at the time, she was strapped to a gurney and didn't know what was going on, and I couldn't explain to her, and I couldn't be with her because I'm trying to talk to the police officers and also trying to calm my boys down, and so it was just, it's not fun. It's one thing to be in a car accident by yourself or with other adults, but to be by yourself with your 3 small children, I definitely went into mommy mode, and that they were my first concern. Bachus and Schanker made my life so much easier because I had one point of contact that, was my case manager, and I wasn't, dealing with an up and down, okay, well, what's happening now? I knew I could just call and talk to my case manager and I'd get a response, and there wasn't any, oh, we forgot about this. I just want to say thank you, because I know there's probably a lot more working parts than just what I saw with speaking to my case manager and my attorney. I know there's a lot more going on behind the scenes and a lot more people to thank. I think you guys did an excellent job, and I really appreciated the ease of completing the settlement. Definitely, if you're in a car accident, call Bachus and Schanker, because it would have made my life so much easier if I had just called them from the start. And I'm just glad that I called them when I did, because I'd probably have been lost and underpaid and had bills to pay without them.